Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're at the start. Log into WordPress and open Woocommerce right arrow products so you can see the full list. Once done, enable screen options to display helpful columns like SKU or date. This makes ordering decisions faster. Now filter by category or status to narrow focus because you don't want to shuffle every product. Make sure to keep a browser tab for quick edit open. It's your first actionable tool for small reorders and priority tweaks. You'll now change order. Use Quick Edit to set a menu order number, lower numbers appear first, and save. This is precise and works without plugins. If you prefer visual reordering, install a trusted drag and drop plugin, activate it, then drag items into place. This updates menu order behind the scenes. Also, select multiple products and use bulk actions to apply changes quickly, because bulk saves prevent accidental loss of work and keep the front end consistent while you iterate. Finish by clearing any caching, server, plugin, or CDN, then refresh the storefront to confirm the new order shows up. You need to check live to be certain. If the order didn't change, make sure your theme isn't overriding product loops. Disable sorting plugins and test the theme template. Finally, lock the sequence by setting Woocommerce default sorting to custom ordering and rely on menu order numbers. Troubleshooting tip: if changes fail, clear all caches and test with 2020.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.